There is a high chance of probability that you would get a loan ad pop up when watching this video. Loan apps are everywhere, advertising to you. Get 50,000 naira instantly, low interest rate loan with no collateral and paperwork. It seems like the perfect solution when you are financially in need. But what if that solution is actually a trap? What if that quick cash loan is designed to pull you deeper into a hole you can't climb out of? In this video, we are pulling back the curtain on how these loan apps really make their money. And it's not by helping you, it's by banking on your desperation, your ignorance, and sometimes your misfortune. This video will make you understand loan terms and agreements, how some loan apps steal your data to use against you, and how to escape from the loan trap. If you've ever considered taking a loan from any app, or if you are struggling to pay one back, you need to see this. As of October 2025, there are 434 fully approved loan platforms in Nigeria alone. That is a huge industry. And let's be clear from the start, they are not charity. They are businesses owned by people whose primary goal is to make as much profit as possible from lending you money. And they have a very clever 3-step system to do this. Before a loan is disbursed to your account, you agree to a loan agreement that was set up by the loan app. And of course, they make it more favorable to them because of course, it's a business and they want to make as much money as possible. So they kind of bank on the ignorance of some Nigerians, because they know some ignorant Nigerians would not read the loan agreement. So how do loan apps work? Step 1, download and sign up. Simple. You put your name and number. Step 2, database approval. This is where the first red flag appears. To get approval, you must grant the app access to your contact, your photo gallery, your SMS, and you must provide your BVN and NIN. They say it's for credit scoring, but as we will see, this becomes a weapon. Step 3, disbursement and payment. The money hits your account, it feels great. The process seems simple, right? But the real problem begins the moment you click I agree to the terms and conditions without reading them. Let's look at a real life example. Someone borrowed 25,000 naira, seems manageable, but the hidden agreements are 2 charges, an interest rate of 3,500 naira and a service fee of 2,000 naira. This is a real contract and agreement note of a loan someone collected from a loan app. Now, how do they justify this? The agreement says the interest is 2% and the service fee is 8%. But here is the catch. That 2% is not per year. It's for a single day multiplied by a 7-day loan. Let's do the math. 2% of 25,000 naira is 500, but they charge 3,500, which is 500 times 7 days. Add the 8% service fee of 2,000 naira and your 25,000 naira loan. Now, it requires you to pay back 30,500 naira in just 1 week, which means this rate is actually too much when calculated for days or months. But the real trap is what happens if you can't pay. According to this agreement, you get a 3-day grace period. After that, from the 4th day, a 3% penalty is added to your original loan amount every single day for up to 180 days. Let that sink in. 3% of 25,000 naira is 750 naira per day. If you default for the full 180 days, that is 750 naira times 180, which is 135,000 naira in penalty alone. Now, add your original debt and interest. 135,000 plus 30,500 is 165,500. You heard that correctly. A 25,000 naira loan can balloon to over 165,000 naira. This isn't a loan, it's a financial prison sentence. And if you think owing that much is the worst part, think again. Remember all that personal data you gave them, your contact, your photo, they use it against you. If you default, they will message everyone on your contact list, telling them you're a criminal and a thief. They create posts on social media like TikTok and Facebook using your picture. They would publicly shame you and call you a debtor. This is not just about collecting debts, it's about humiliation and harassment. It's designed to break you down so that you would pay anything to make it stop. So, if you're already in this situation, what can you do? The first step is dialogue. Call their customer care service, be calm and explain your situation. Ask if they can restructure your loan into smaller or more manageable payments. Sometimes they would rather get some money back than nothing. Step 2, you can report them. If the harassment is extreme or the terms are clearly exploitative, you can report them to the FCCPC, the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Commission. They have a dedicated mandate to handle complaints about unethical lending practices. You have rights as a customer. So the final question, should you ever use these apps? The honest answer is, it's a massive risk. But before you ever click the accept, you must read the terms and agreements, understand the late payment penalties, calculate the real total cost. Only take the loan if you are 100% certain you can pay it back on time. And most importantly, avoid the debt cycle. Don't take a loan from one app just to pay off another. If this video opened your eyes, share it with a friend. You might just save them from one of the trap of these loan sharks. Subscribe for more videos like this and we will see you in the next one.